Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Client today, who is experiencing some hair loss, has come in today for a new beautiful style. And yes, today I am using the new braided cap on her. This braided cap is a game changer and I love it. I just addressed it, the straps, and it is going to be fitting very comfortable. I do have another video on the details of this cap. It's very durable, it's very stretchy. I love it. It has holes in it for ventilation for her hair, so her natural hair isn't smothered underneath. And again, I am putting this cap on. I love the way it fits around the ears. So yes, I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you can check out that video of all the details on this cap. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. It is extremely good for those who have hair loss, thin hair, damaged hair, and if you just want to protect your hair. So again, here's a closer look of the cap. Again, I love the braid pattern on the cap. The braids are not too thick, they're not too thin, and look at the way it fits around her ear. I love the way this cap is constructed to fit nice and comfortable around the ear. Welcome to West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, I upload new videos every single week, so please subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another valuable video. Yes, click the link below to my Facebook page where you can leave me a message, and please get your order in for our G&G hair growth products. Yes, it's made of 100% all natural ingredients. Our small jars are $10 and our large jars are $20. So yes, our prices are very affordable. So get your order in. So again, the cap is very stretchy and I love that it has ventilation. We definitely need to make sure that our hair is breathing underneath. So here I'm going to start sewing down the cap for stability and for protection for her hair. So please continue to watch so you can see how I accomplish this beautiful style for her. Okay, family, so it's been about 1 hour of crocheting and we are almost done. Yes, look at that hairline. Doesn't it look so natural? I love this braid cap and how it gives that natural hairline. She did not want any baby hair, and this is our completed style. Look at these crochet faux locks. They are beautiful. What a great protective style. So yes, we use colors 1B and number 30. And yes, I have another happy client. I love making people feel good about themselves. So this is 18 inches long, and yes, again, this is our completed style, and I did blend the two colors together. However, due to her work situation, she needed to have her hair a lot shorter after she reconsidered the length. So here I am just cutting them a lot shorter. And the great thing about this hair and these curly faux locks are they do not unravel. So you can cut them to shorter lengths, and you do not have to worry about them coming loose or them unraveling at the ends. So yes, this is the desired length that she wanted, and this is our beautiful style. So if again you have not tried this braided cap, try this braided cap and let me know what you think about it, how you like it. Again, thanks for supporting my channel. Please click the links below to check out my Facebook page and to purchase our 100% all natural hair growth butter. Hit that bell, subscribe, and much love. Stay blessed and stay safe. West Coast Finest.